going on, everyone? Got a 2018 Honda CRV. Today I'm going to be checking the cab filter on this guy. If you need to replace yours or check yours, this will be a good guide. Okay, so we need to lower this glove box door and get behind it. So the first step we're going to have to do is disconnect the damper here. Okay, so to disconnect the damper, all we need to do is push down on it and it will disconnect. You'll hear it kind of pop off. And you can see it's just like a little arm. Okay, now we need to push the glove box inward on the sides here. These are the stoppers that stop the glove box from opening too far, but we just push it in like that, both sides, and the glove box will come down. Okay, all right, so with it down, the cab filter is located in this compartment here. There's these clips on the sides, so we're going to push in, pull towards us. Okay, filter. This one's looking pretty new, so looks like I'm not changing this one today. If you need one, check in the description box below. I'll have a part number and a link to take you to Amazon if you need to get a filter. But notice here how it says airflow up. When you get your new one, make sure you install it the same way. Okay, it'll be written on your new filter, just like that. Get the door, snap it on, check the glove box, just close it and it'll stay back up. Damper here, just hook it right back up. Okay, and we're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you drop me a like, leave me a comment. See you guys in the next video.